Hey guys, I thought I'd show you my curtain rod idea for my Sprinter. This is a 22-170 high roof, and I just got this factory ceiling in another video, which you can check out on my channel. Bought it used, so I just installed it, and I did not want to screw into my factory ceiling and tear it up. So what I did was, this is just temporarily holding that there. I got some rings coming in the mail, but you can get any sort of rings. But what I did was I went to Home Depot and I bought some wiring conduit, the gray pipe, and I just heat shaped it all. And I screwed it into the wall. You can see here, I'm not sure I would do this the same way, but you could do it differently. I drilled these holes large and the screw was sunk down in there, sheet metal screw. It's quite sturdy, but I might heat flatten that thing and make it a flat pipe so I can just screw through it and, you know, just see the clean screw head instead of that big hole. Or you don't have to do the hole and you can, you know, do the screw and have it stop and crush the pipe a little bit. But you just got to be careful with that. Drilling into this thing, I hit something that started screwing up. Yeah, I don't really care for these holes. They don't look as clean as I'd like. So I think I should have just used a longer screw and gone through the whole thing. But I wanted that bottoming out effect. But anyway, you can see what I did. I just heat shaped the entire pipe. And you can kind of measure it up and then, you know, maybe get a piece of wire and bend it to shape to copy your curve. That's what I did. I heat gunned it, and then you got to kind of press it on the floor to get the right angles and tweak it. Use some gloves, and it actually worked quite well. So I did not drill into my ceiling. I jogged around my ceiling. I'm going to actually, this is pinching this tight right now just for demonstration purposes, but I have some metal, like I said, rings to go on here. I've hung this curtain, you know, for a couple of years now in this van. When I had just the raw ceiling, I just stuck wire in a hole and hung it up that way, and it worked good. And a piece of rope across the van. But now I don't have anything to connect into, and I just couldn't bear drilling into this new ceiling. So this, I think I'm going to heat bend it slightly so it comes about 1/4 inch off the top, so I don't have the rings dragging on the material when I slide it back and forth. But it actually worked really well. Just use some gloves, get your heat gun, bend the pipe slowly, shape it, you know, cut it. They come in 10-foot sticks. It's like $8-9 for a stick. So that's my $8 or $9 custom-made curtain rod that will not mess up your ceiling. And it's got quite a bit of tension. You can see it's holding up the curtain. But the curtains are great. I got to wash this one because it's dusty from all the trails. But you can just put them in the washing machine with hot water, and they kind of melt, you know, with some towels, and they just kind of melt and clean right up, or just rinse it in the hose, obviously. But anyway, hope that helps you guys. I like the idea of saving the ceiling and not screwing it up, and I can just take it out when I don't want it. But again, this does a tremendous job trapping the heat in the AC and knocking down some of that trailering or the items in the back noise. All right, talk to you guys later. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. You'll see my other videos on a bunch of Sprinter stuff. Take care.